Peace, love, light, and healing. Grand rising to you. Yeah, just jam with me this morning. I got to do some lime tea. Just wake up now, watch the bugs, man, and eat the eyes. But I got order today, so I don't know the thing set. Today I got order. So just jam with me. Some lime tea. You know what I say? Get some alkaline in the system and build up back the immune system and thing, you see me? So just go and work with me, jam with me. I'm going to put on some water now for the tea, right? So just watch it. I forgot to roll the lime to kind of give it a softer squeeze. But I'm still getting the juice that I need. Somehow these lime doesn't have any seeds. That's weird. See it there? Put it on iron and get this thing cracking. You know what I mean? This 1 cup of water. You know, some people call it 8 ounces. I don't know the thing set. You know, watch the face. So, right. Some lime juice in that. Right. Always be awesome. Not sure? Just like that. Yeah, man. Right, loving that sound, you know. Man, stir it up, you know. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Yeah, man. See him like that. Yeah. You know, so that now go sweet, right? Because I'm not putting no sugar in it. No sweetener. Just natural, just like that. Yeah, man. You know the thing set? Peace, love, light, and healing. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on the next tea time. All right? Stay tuned. Love you. All right? Peace out.